Okay, the filming of this video is pretty much a total fail in my opinion. I filmed it on my new webcam that worked very well for my live stream, but really didn't do much for this video. That's the bad news. The good news is I got a box full of Oklahoma Goldbacks to open up, and I'm excited. And basically, I'm excited for two reasons. Number one is I got a bunch of Goldbacks, as you can see. But number two is I ended up using one pack of the 1/2 Goldbacks, which is 50 face, I guess you'd say. I ended up using those to purchase products from a fellow YouTuber. All right, I'll just tell you what I did. I bought a bunch of aliens and a bunch of Goldback holders from Vegas Stacker. So if you want aliens and Goldback holders, contact him. But the best part of the deal, I paid him in Goldbacks. More specifically, I paid him 100 1/2 Goldbacks, just like you see right here, Oklahoma edition, for his very capable services. So if you're interested in Goldback holders and aliens, like I said, contact him. As far as the Goldbacks go, we're allowed to show them, they said, but I can't sell them until the 19th, and that would be 12:01 a.m. on the 19th. I guarantee you that. I will be live on Whatnot, 12:01 a.m. Tuesday morning, August 19th. So in total, I picked up 200 of the ones, and I picked up 600 of the 1/2s. I sent this pack here to Vegas Stacker, like I mentioned earlier, and that leaves me with 500 1/2s that you see right here. So I got 500 halves and 200 ones. That's 450 face, I think. And that's a good start. I didn't get any 2s, 5s, 10s, 25s, 50s, or 100s. For obvious reasons, man. They're so expensive. But I'm going to start with these and then see how that goes. So I'll definitely have a follow-up video next week. Keep an eye out for that. Thank you for watching. Average Joe out.